Hey guys, so today I want to talk to you about the HydroVerstand by Zemits. It's one of my newest machines that I'm providing some really great treatments on. So let me explain a little bit about it. So what does this machine do? Well, it actually has a myriad of different treatments that I can now really get down to the nitty gritty of some of my skin conditions and some of the issues that my clients are facing. We have ultrasound for the body, for the face. We have oxygen here. We have RF face and eye and hydro microdermabrasion. When I tell you that my clients are loving this machine, I've gotten it for almost a month now and I've used it for about 90% of my treatments, and I'm looking forward to the weeks ahead to see the maximum results. HydroVerstand by Zemits. I'm really glad that I locked on to this machine, and I advise any new practitioner to bring this into their room for more value treatments.